Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the Capcut subtitle tutorial, or how you can add subtitle into your video in Capcut. So I'm going to just click on new project, and here I'm going to just choose a video of my tutorial, and I'm going to add it into Capcut. So this video has my voice in it, and I want to create a subtitle so that people will understand my video better because it has subtitle. So let's see the voice. Let's hear the voice first. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, okay, so here that is the voice, and if you want to add subtitle, you can just click on text at the bottom, and here you can choose or click the auto caption so that you don't need to type in the text or the transcribe the the audio one by one. So you can just click on the auto captions and choose the language that is on the video, and choose original sound, and you can just click on start. Okay, so now the Capcut will creating the auto caption or the subtitle. Just wait. Okay, so you can see at the bottom the subtitle is now being created by the Capcut, and let's see, or let's hear if it fits with the audio of the video. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to okay, so I think it's pretty good and it fits into the sound of the video, but you can also change the style. For example, you want to change the font, the color, or the style, or you can also add some effects in it, but for now I'm satisfied with the result. Hi guys, welcome. Okay, so that's basically it, how you can do subtitle on the Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.